Here's how you can make $10,000 per month from a YouTube channel reposting NASA's footage. And the cool thing about this, anyone can do it as long as you have a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Let me show you how. I know what you're thinking. Is it illegal to do so? Well, take a look. All images and animations are generally not copyrighted. You may use NASA imagery, video and audio material for educational or informational purposes. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to nasa.gov. Then you're gonna go to galleries, and then you're gonna scroll a little bit down, and then you're gonna go to ultra high definition videos. Click on it. You can see there's tons of videos that you can download and use for free. Here's someone who's not affiliated with NASA and has already done this method, and as you can see, they have over 900,000 followers, which is kind of crazy, just reposting, footage from NASA. Let's take a look and see how much he makes. Results may vary, but as you can see, this person is making anywhere from $600 to $10,000 every single month. Follow for more side hustles like this.